Okay, writers. So last week we went through a whole writing process. Yesterday I talked about publishing virtually and what that would look like. As an added step, I would like to go through publishing rules in person. So if you plan on sharing your writing, now that we've finished revising and editing, we have our final pieces ready, we are going to talk about the rules of publishing in person. And then instead of having your screen presented during our meeting to share, I would like for you to write your published piece on a piece of paper and you can read directly from it during our Google Meet. So, on to the rules. Publishing rules. Rule number 1, you must use your neatest handwriting. You should be able to read it, your peers should be able to read it, and I should be able to read it with no problem on any of the words. Second rule, no spelling errors for common 4th grade words. Since we did do this virtually, there should be no reason that any of your words are misspelled incorrect, or that any of your words are misspelled or incorrect. Since Google Docs and Microsoft both do have the editing feature to correct your spelling mistakes, there should be none when you write it. You may use pen because all of our revising and editing is done. Your publishing is complete. Just be warned, if you do make a mistake, you might be tempted to start over. You may create or insert a visual image to go along with your essay once you're finished. So depending on what you are trying to teach your reader, you may want to draw a little picture or maybe just insert a picture into your virtual essay. Last but not least, your title and name must be at the top of your paper, whether it be virtual or physical. So now that we have revised and edited our papers, you're going to take your newfound corrections, begin publishing your work online to paper, and make sure to indent on these, the face-to-face papers also. And don't forget to indent on your virtual. You are going to you're going to press the tab button, which is at the top left corner area of your keyboard. Good luck.